If you want to learn English, stop studying English. Sounds crazy, right? Maybe. But fluency doesn't come from stuffing your brain with the grammar rules and word lists. This is not how it works. It comes from living the language, surrounding yourself with English so fully, so naturally, that your brain picks it up without realizing it. So please, forget grammar books. Stop relying on boring study sessions. If you want to truly learn English, speak it, feel it, live it. Because English is not just a subject you study, it's a world you step into, a rhythm you get used to, a voice you start to think in. And you do not really need more rules and structures, you need more English in your life. What is the secret? I want you to immerse yourself in English. Let English become your background music, soft, constant, and always playing in the back of your mind. And in this video, I will show you exactly how to make that happen, step by step. Number one, change your phone language. Your phone is basically your second brain, correct? You check it 100 times a day. So why don't you just turn it into your private English teacher? Change your entire phone system to English. The menus, the settings, all the apps, technically everything. That includes Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and even your keyboard, obviously. Every time you swipe, tap, or scroll, you'll be interacting in English. It's a tiny change that brings massive results over time, like water dripping on a rock. It takes time, but trust me, it's gonna bring massive results. Number two, use English subtitles only. Let's be honest, we all binge watch, so turn your screen time into learning time. If you're watching Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime, or Shahid, always watch with English subtitles. Not your native language, not auto-translate, just pure English. Even if you're watching shows in your first language, by the way, you can activate English subtitles. So the show or the movie is going to be playing in your native language, but the subtitles are going to be in English. And you can do that, by the way, on all streaming platforms. And why is this important? That's because your brain starts connecting sounds, words, and meanings without even trying. Think of it like reading and listening at the same time, like a double dose of language input. Trust me, it's amazing. Number three, keep these apps on your home screen. Number one, Cambridge Dictionary. Number two, Longman Dictionary. Number three, Google Translate. Put these apps on your home screen, and trust me, they're gonna help you a lot. One tap and you're learning in real time. Do not be afraid to pause, search, and continue. This is how fluency is built. It takes time. And the more curious you are about the topic that you are reading about or the topic that you are listening to, the faster you will grow. Number four, clean up your YouTube and Instagram feed. If your feed on Instagram and YouTube, for example, is full of content in your first language, that's a red flag. You're training the wrong muscles. Your social feed should reflect your interests, but in English. For example, if you love football, you should be following Premier League channels or English-speaking pundits, people who analyze the matches. If you're into politics, watch global news outlets like CNN, BBC, or Al Jazeera English. If you love traveling, follow vloggers who explore the world and speak English. This isn't about changing who you are. It's about keeping your passions and interests, but switching the language. Very simple. Number five, go deeper into what you already love. I want you to take something you already enjoy and double down on it in English, which means spend more time on it in English. For example, if you're into fitness, do not just watch random fitness videos. No, watch, for example, Arnold documentaries, Pumping Iron, for example. Listen to interviews with Mr. Olympia winners, for example, like Chris Bumstead, for example, the classic physique champion. If you're into gaming, follow streamers who play and comment in English. If you love dogs and cats, for example, watch dog training videos in English and follow dog behavior experts. Whatever you like, just do it in English. You'll learn faster because your brain is already excited about the topic. You are curious to know more about the topic. And you will pick up real words, not textbook fluff, real words that native speakers use. Number six, follow relevant creators in English. Let your social media work for you, not against you. Follow content creators, influencers, educators, and even meme pages. But make sure, obviously, that they are in English. And when a big story breaks, you'll start to notice the same words popping up again and again and again. That repetition is gold. You will start to remember these words without even the need to sit down and study them. Language learning is all about patterns and repetition, and your brain loves that. So keep exposing yourself to more of these words that are related to the topics that you enjoy. Number 7, watch more English speaking content. Skip the dry lectures. Do not watch grammar videos and vocabulary videos. Go for the unscripted, real life content. Content that native speakers listen to. For example, you can try podcasts like Jay Shetty podcast, which is called Jay Shetty's On Purpose. Another one is Diary of a CEO. You can also watch comedy shows like The Daily Show or The Tonight Show. These ones are very popular and you're going to be learning a lot of phrases and idioms when you watch them. And if you're into comedy, which is a gold mine for natural expressions, I highly recommend you watch stand-up comedians like, for example, Russell Peters or Maz Jobrani or Trevor Noah or Mo Amer. You will laugh, you will learn idioms, you will get a taste of real spoken English, because textbook English is one thing and real English is another thing. So learn from native speakers who use English naturally. Number 8, do everything you can in English. Stop making a line between studying and living. Search online in English. Use ChatGPT in English. Listen to music and podcasts in English. Take online courses in English. Change your game settings to English. If you're doing it anyway, you might as well do it in English. The more your brain adapts, the faster you move from I'm learning English to I live in English. This is how you learn. You don't learn by studying, you learn by living in English. Now, I know at first it's gonna be very difficult, like walking through mud. Slow, messy, and also frustrating. I know. But every word you look up, every subtitle you read, every creator you follow, trust me, it all adds up. It's like puzzle pieces slowly forming into a complete picture. But the final result, trust me, it's worth it. And one day you will realize you're not studying English anymore. You're living it. And this is exactly how you're gonna enjoy the learning process. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments which one of these tips you like the most. And of course, do not forget to subscribe, because I'll be back again with more tips to turn your English learning journey from a burden on your shoulder into a lifestyle. Catch you soon and keep living English like it's second nature. I'll see you in the next video.